Database relationships are ways to create links between different database tables. For example, in this car database, I have two tables. A table of different car models, and then a table of different car manufacturers. That's companies that build cars. And this list is smaller than the list of cars because several of the cars in this list are made by the same manufacturer. Let me explain what I mean. If we look at car number 1 in the car table, and it's called the 458, that's its model name. If I scroll along, I can see that it's got a manufacturer ID. Just make that wider so you can see that that's what that field is. Oh, something's changed there. The manufacturer ID is 8. If I go and look up number 8 in the manufacturer table, you can see that that's Ferrari. So that first car is the Ferrari 458. Okay, so that's easy enough for a human to do, a bit of cross-referencing, looking up. But you can make the computer do that automatically by creating one of these relationship links between the two tables. It's quite easy to do, and it's very powerful because then when you're trying to search in one table, you can also look things up in the other. The way to do it is first of all close the tables you have open. And no, I don't want to save any changes I just made. And then click on Database Tools, which brings up this set of options. And there is a Relationships button. Now, you're going to have to show any tables that you want to create links between. I only have two tables, and so I need to show both of them. So I'll add the car table, then click on Manufacturer table, and add that one too. And then close this. And I'm also going to move these around on the screen and increase the size of the car table so that I can see everything in it. So, every car in this table has a car ID, and every maker of cars has a manufacturer ID. But in the car table, I've also got the manufacturer ID, which I can link up to this manufacturer table literally by clicking on it, holding my mouse down, and dragging up to the manufacturer ID here. I just need to say that I want to create this relationship and confirm it, and then it draws a line to show the link between the manufacturer ID and the manufacturer ID up here. It's that simple. If I now close that and say yes, I do want to save the changes, there is a permanent link between this manufacturer ID and this manufacturer ID here. In fact, if I click on this new little plus symbol next to number 8, Ferrari, you can see that there are three cars in the car table, the 458, the Ferrari Enzo, and the Ferrari F430. The computer has now worked out that there's a connection between these two tables.